Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a new winner. So we're picking a new winner for Anna's goodies that she sent a while ago. So the first prize winner did not contact me. They were the winner of first dibs, and so they had 4 days to contact me. So we're gonna pick a new winner here real quick. And you guys, cross your fingers. Hopefully you win. And good luck. Here we go. And the winner is Crafty Little Sam. Crafty Little Sam says, amazing goodies. Thank you, Anna. I hope all goes well, and prayers for her. Thank you so much for your prayers and thanking Anna. I appreciate it. So you are the next winner for a grab bag. So everyone will be pushed up. So whoever was the first grab bag winner will now be the first dibs grand prize winner, and so forth. So thank you so much. Crafty Little Sam, congratulations. You have 48 hours, so please contact me on Instagram, and I can't wait to hear from you. And you guys, if you didn't win, please do not be discouraged, as I always host giveaways, and you have another chance to win very soon. Have a good Valentine's, you guys, and hugs and kisses. Bye.